What is going on, everyone, and welcome to Kart 6T3. My name is Ben. Thank you very much for stopping by. If you didn't mind, could you go ahead and hit a like on this video? Just, that's all it takes. Hit a like, shows you, gives interaction to this. If you're new here, if you didn't mind subscribing to the channel, that would be fantastic. Thank you very much to all of you who have done so already. And if you're considering doing so, thank you for doing it. That as well, or something. I know what I'm talking about. Cool. All right. I thought I'd talk about something that it's just a friendly reminder as I am prepping all my tires for the Nationals. I know it's something that may be a little easier overlooked by newer racers. Please check your staggers. All the time you're spending in the garage is going to be all for naught if your chassis doesn't handle the way you anticipated it being. So you go ahead, set your staggers up, say you have 1.5 inches up front, which is pretty standard, 1 inch rear, whatever you decide that your rear stagger is going to be for that chassis setup. You go ahead, you scale the thing, you get your numbers right. Well, week after week, race after race, those tires might have differences in air pressure. Some, maybe a valve stem is leaking or something like that. Maybe maybe you've put too much air in one of them and they've been sitting in the trailer. Maybe they balloon. Don't just, willy-nilly jump into your trailer, grab whatever tire, and then go out and say, this thing doesn't handle. I've seen it happen. I've heard it happen before. Checking your staggers is imperative to keep the chassis dialed into where you need be. I mean, it's, durometer and tires themselves are their own animal, but if you do not have the actual mechanical function of the chassis setup, you're gonna be in trouble. It wasn't too long ago that somebody was saying that I think it's more of a weekly racer thing, that when you go and you think that, hey, I have this set of tires, they work really well for this track, I'm just going to keep on running, and then, that maybe the handling towards the end of a run's getting weird, or maybe the beginning of the run is weird until the tires come in and bite up correctly because you're not consistently checking your stagger. I believe this gentleman said his rear stagger was way off. He was down to like 1/2 inch in the rear where he thought it was 1 inch. That's a huge swing. Do you know what that does to cross? That's a huge cross swing, and no wonder the thing wasn't handled the way he anticipated it handling because his rear stagger was off. That, just please do so. Like I said, I mounted all these tires just recently, and I've been checking staggers and, getting what I prefer for stagger setup on my cart. And then I'm going to be scaling here this week, making sure, everything is right, and then I'm actually going to go ahead and change like a left rear or a right rear or vice versa. I try and stay with a standard 1.5 inches up front. I know that if you increase that, you can increase cross if you need to. I try and stay away from that. 1.5 inches up front, and then I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my chassis up with the stagger I believe that I'm going to need for the track I'm going to, but then I'm going to change either my left rear, my right rear in order to change that and see what that does to my cross. So if I need to compensate a washer of cross up front, to remain at the same cross level, there's something to consider. So this is, these are things I think about, and just in the garage, and I think, oh man, what if they're at track and all of a sudden, they just don't understand this thing handled perfect last week, and now it's off. Could it be your staggers? It might not always be, an engine thing or this or that or the track. If the track conditions are similar and all of a sudden your cart has gone away, you're using the same set of tires, it very well could be your staggers are off. So you should be checking those at least every race day. If not, if you're changing tires, make sure when you change a tire, don't assume it's one size. Go ahead, give that a look. Make sure that the staggers are correct for every time you go out on track. So just thought this would be a friendly reminder, a video to just like, hey, have you done that lately? Or are you just, assuming that everything's fine? So I appreciate every single one of you coming by, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.